Question 1. Talk about the things that Gajaraj and Bunti did together. Now, write in the shapes given below. One has been done for you. Answer. Here are some of the things they did together. 1. Played together. Gajaraj and Bunti enjoyed playful moments, especially during their bath time when Gajaraj splashed water on Bunti. 2. Shared food. Gajaraj shared some of his food with Bunti when the dog first arrived at the stable, showcasing his kindness. 3. Went for a bath. They often went to the elephant pond together, where Gajaraj would bathe, and Bunti would watch. 4. Riding. Gajaraj would pick up Bunti with his trunk and give him rides on his back, which made Bunti very happy.